Welcome back. If you watched part 1, you have already discovered that building clean, professional looking wood joints is not about making endless measurements. It's about following a few habits that make every project easier, more accurate, and more enjoyable. In this second part, we are taking those ideas even further. We will look at the small details that many woodworkers overlook. The simple routines that help projects come together smoothly from beginning to the end. Have you ever finished cutting every piece only to realize that something does not quite line up? Maybe one side is slightly taller than the other, a shelf suits unevenly, or a table rock instead of standing fairly on the floor. These problems are common, and they happen to almost every at some point. The encouraging news is that most of these mistakes are not caused by a lack of skill. They are usually the result of skipping a few simple steps during the building process. By making a handful of small changes or changes, you can greatly improve the quality of your project. One thing experienced woodworkers understand is that beautiful furniture is building through consistency, not speed. They take their time, check each step carefully, and allow each and every part to fit naturally before moving on. These simple habits are what makes their finished woodwork clean, balanced, and professional. In this video, you will learn practical way to stay organized, improve the fit of your project, reduce waste, and make your woodworking experience less stressful. These ideas are easy to follow and can be used whether you build a floating shelf, a coffee table, a cabinet, a bedside table, or a simple wooden organizer. You don't have a large workshop or expensive equipment to put these techniques in practice. What matters most is developing good habits that you can use on your project, no matter its size. Remember, every great woodworker started as a beginner. The difference is that they keep practicing, learned from each project, and improved little by little. That's exactly how confidence is built, one successful project at a time. So, if you are ready to create strong joints, clean furniture, and projects that you are truly proud to display in your home, you are in the right place. Grab your materials, clean your workshop, and let's continue learning these simple woodworking techniques that can help you build with great confidence, great accuracy, and better results every single time. Let's jump into part 2. Always build from one starting point. One of the easiest ways to improve your woodworking is to choose one starting point and use it throughout the project. Instead of switching from one side of the board to the another, keep working from the same edge. This simple habit is helping every part line up naturally. It also prevents small mistakes from adding up. Consistency is often more important than making perfect measurements. Make a simple piece first. Before building the final project, make one sample piece. Test how everything fits together. If something needs changing, it's much easier to fix now. Once you are happy with the result, use that sample as your guide. These simple steps saves wood, time, and frustration. Let the wood guide you. Every piece of wood is different. Some boards are perfectly straight, others have small curves or unique grain pattern. Instead of fighting the materials, work with its natural shape. Choosing the best side of the visible surface makes every project look better. Sometimes the wood itself tells you the best way to build. Check fits often. Don't wait until the very end to see if everything fits. Pause after each step. Place the part together. Make sure everything still lines up. Small corrections now prevents big problems later. A few extra movements of checking one saves hours of fixing. Keep your workspace organized. A clean workspace helps you think clearly. Keep similar pieces together. Put your tools back after using them. Remove wood scraps that gets in the way. An organized workshop reduces mistakes and makes every project more enjoyable. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's project? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me which country you are watching us from. If you love decor woodworking, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your DIY lover, friend, family. And let's inspire more people to create something beautiful. Build matching pieces together. If you are making table legs, shelf supports or cabinet sides, work on them together. Compare them often. Place one beside the other. Make sure they still match. Balanced furniture always looks more professional. Don't rush the assembly. Many woodworkers' mistakes happen during the final assembly. Slow down. Check every connection before moving on. Make sure every piece suits naturally in its place. Careful assembly creates stronger and better looking furniture. Small details makes big difference. Tiny details often separates average project from beautiful ones. Smooth edge, even spacing, clean corners, straight lines. These simple improvements make handmade furniture feel much more expensive. Learn from every project. Every project teaches something valuable. Maybe you discovered a faster way to work. Maybe you found a better way to organize your materials. Every success and every mistake helps improve your next build. Woodworking is a journey of constant learning. Practice creates confidence. Nobody builds perfect furniture on the first attachment or the first attempt. Confidence comes from practice. Every small project improves your skill. Keep building, keep experimenting. Every completed project makes the next one easier. Simple habits save materials. Careful planning reduces waste wood. Checking your work reduces unnecessary cuts. Working slowly prevents costly mistakes. Simple habits help every board to further. Saving materials also saves money. Build furniture you will be proud of. Imagine looking around your home and seeing furniture you built yourself. Every shelf, every table, every organizer, every project becomes something you can enjoy every day. That's one of the greatest rewards of woodworking. Patience is a working greatest skill. Great furniture is not building it in a hurry. It grows one careful step at a time. Take your time, enjoy the process. Every extra minute of care often adds year to life of the finished project. Turn a simple project into a beautiful home. Handmade furniture changes more than a room. It changes the way your home feels. Natural materials, natural woods bring warmth. Handmade piece of add personality. Simple craftsmanship creates space that feel welcoming and comfortable. Keep improving one project at a time. You don't have to build a masterpiece tomorrow. Focus on improving one small skill with each project. Better organization, clear joints, smooth finishes, more confidence. Small improvements become impressive results over time. As we come to the end of part 2, remember one important lesson. Great woodworking is not about rushing to finish a project. It's about building one careful step at a time. Every accurate cut, every thoughtful adjustment, and every moment of patience bring you close to great furniture you can truly be proud of. Thoughtful this series, we have explored simple habits that can make a big difference. Woodworking from the same reference point, check how piece fits before final assembly. Stay organized, and taking your time may seem like small thing, but together they help produce clean, strong, and better looking projects. This wonderful thing about woodworking is to know no project is even wasted. Even when something does not turn out exactly as planned, you will still gain experience. Every change is a lesson. Every mistake builds confidence. and every completed project prepares you for the next one. Don't compare your work to someone who has been building furniture for 20 years. Compare it to the project you complete last month. If your cuts are clean, your joints fit better, or your confidence has grown, you are making real progress, and that's something to celebrate. One of the greatest rewards of woodworking is watching your skill improve over time. The shelf that seemed difficult today may feel easy a few months from now. The table that once looked impossible, you eventually become another enjoyable weekend project. That's the power of steady practice. Remember that beautiful furniture is not created by expensive tools alone. It's created by careful planning, attention to detail, and a willingness to keep learning. A simple woodwork shop, a few reliable tools, and a determination to improve are enough to build amazing things. Don't be afraid to try new ideas. Experiment with different styles. Explore new home decor projects and challenge yourself with slight bigger builds as your confidence grows. Every project expands your creativity and helps you become more capable woodworker. Most importantly, enjoy the journey. Woodworking is not only about the finished shelf, table, or cabinet, it's about the satisfaction of creating something useful with your own hands. Few hobbies are as rewarding as turning a simple piece of wood into something your family can use and enjoy every day. We hope today's tip inspired you to head into your workshop with fresh ideas and rewarding confidence. Pick one technique from this video and put it into practice on your very next project. Small improvements made consistency can completely transform the quality of your work. We would love to hear you from which tip you from part 1 or part 2 do you think will have the biggest impact on your woodworking. Share us your answer in the comment section below, and if you have a helpful trick or your own, you would love you to share it with the channel. If this video helped you learn something new, please support the channel by giving a thumb up. It helps more woodworking enthusiasts discover this video and encourage us to keep creating free content for makers around the world. If you have not already, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming woodworking ideas, DIY furniture projects, reclaimed wood ideas, home decor inspiration, woodworking shop tips, and beginner-friendly guides. And don't stop here. We have many more videos filled with creative woodworking ideas, smart workshop solution, timeless furniture projects, palette wood transformation, and budget-friendly DIY builds. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. Your support, your comments, and your passion for woodworking inspired us to keep sharing new ideas every day. Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, keep improving, and remember that every masterpiece begins with a single piece of wood and the courage to start. Stay safe in your workshop, enjoy every project, and we will see you in the next woodworking adventure. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed.